Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to recommend few lip shades that will look beautiful on bare skin if you have brown skin tone. For your reference, I'm NC42 in MAC, so if you're close enough to my skin tone or a bit deeper than my skin tone, I think this video will be helpful for you. So if you're interested, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. First one in the list is my recent favorite and I just love wearing this shade on me. It just brightens my entire look. I am talking about Romance Zero Velvet Tint in the shade Fade Red. This is how the color looks on me and it's a beautiful cool tone muted red that just looks beautiful. It has some berry tint in it and it just brightens my entire look. I have worn this shade even on my no makeup days on my bare skin and it just brings out the color. It just enhances my skin tone and this shade gives you a very beautiful velvety matte finish. It is not really a transfer proof formula, but once it leaves a stain behind, it gives you an even stain throughout and it is really very long lasting if you're not eating or drinking anything. If you eat or drink anything, definitely it is going to come off, but you can retouch up whenever you want to. Next shade in the list is Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in the shade Lippy. This is how the shade looks like and it's a beautiful corally pink shade with some brown undertone to it that is going to look beautiful on bare skin, and if you have brown skin like me, it is really going to look beautiful on every one of them. Now the problem with this lipstick formulation is it gives you that sticky kind of feeling which I don't like. I really love a very weightless formulation that I will not even come to know that I have something on my lips, but the shade is so beautiful and the formulation is so long lasting that I always reach out to it even if I don't like the formulation a lot. And the glossy part stays for a bit, you can say for 2 to 3 hours if you're not eating or drinking anything, but if you are eating any meals, then definitely the glossiness diminishes with time. You can always retouch up and it does not dry out my lips in any ways. I prefer to use a brown lip liner with this that enhances my lips more and that brings out the color more in me. Next one is Mars Popstar Velvet Mousse Lipstick in the shade Rock On. As the name suggests, this is a beautiful moussey formula that feels velvety on the lips and it does not crack or settle in your lip lines. I really love how pigmented it is. You get one swipe, enough pigmentation, and this is how the shade looks on me. You can never go wrong with brown lipstick on brown skin tone because that just enhances and lifts your entire skin tone. So I just love wearing this on my bare skin, and if I want to, I can even line my lips with a brown lip liner to enhance my lips more. Now if you are a little bit deeper than my skin tone, definitely you can pull off this shade. You can use a beautiful chocolatey or rich brown shade pairing with this color and it is going to give you a very beautiful look. As the name suggests, you can totally rock this shade on any brown skin tone. Next one is Inside Cosmetics Lip Cream in the shade Freja. This is how the color looks on me. It's a beautiful rich chocolate brown shade that looks beautiful on brown skin, and as I said, you can never go wrong with brown lipstick. If you are always confused like me what shade to wear on which color dress, it all depends upon how you mix and match your color. Now like today I have worn this yellow top and with this lip shade looks absolutely beautiful. Now the formulation is very similar to Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Lipping because it feels sticky when you apply it and it remains sticky for quite a long time unless and until it sets completely. Now I feel this is not absolutely a weightless formula because I can feel that something is there on my lips because of the stickiness, but the pigmentation is bang on. It gives you one swipe enough pigmentation and it covers your entire pigmented lips if you have any. Like I have dark pigmented lips and in one swipe I get enough pigmentation. I do not even have to run couple of times layering this lipstick. So they have done a very good job, but the packaging is an exact dupe to Le Mure Velvet Matte Lipstick, though it is like about rupees 600 and this is below rupees 300. So yes, there is a price difference, but this is not a velvety matte finish, but this is a matte finish which feels exactly like Maybelline Vinyl Lip Ink but minus the glossy part. Next Next one is again from Inside Cosmetics. It is their Super Stay lipstick in the shade Tatiana. This is how the shade looks like, and it's a beautiful, berry shade with brown undertone that looks absolutely beautiful on bare skin with no makeup on. It is your perfect everyday kind of shade, and it is very, very long lasting. It feels creamy when you apply it, but settles down to a comfortable matte finish that is absolutely long lasting. But if you're having your meals in between, definitely it is going to come off. But the pigmentation of this lipstick is bang on. I just love the shade on me, and just look how much I have used it. I've just left with this much amount. It is my everyday favorite. There are few lipstick that I love to use it on my day-to-day basis. It is not something like you can wear it only for a daytime. You can even rock this shade during nighttime in any event, and it is going to look as beautiful as the shade is. I already have an in-depth review about these lipstick with more shades to offer, so if you are interested, you can have a look in the description box, or I will try and mention it here in the card section. Next is Romand Blur Fudge Tint in the shade Current Jam. This is how the shade looks on me, and it's a beautiful reddish coralish shade, and it just does not require any lip liner whatsoever. Now, as the name suggests, this is a blur fudge. This is a blur tint that is going to blur out your lips if you have lot of fine lines, and it is going to give you a very velvety finish to your lips, which looks absolutely gorgeous. It is absolutely lightweight, and the tint is very beautiful. You can even use this as a lipstick, which I prefer to use it, because whenever I think of wearing it as a lip tint, then what happens is, because of my dark pigmented lips, the color does not show that much. But because I use it as a lipstick, which is my absolute favorite color on my bare skin, if I'm not wearing any makeup, just this lipstick just brings out the skin tone in me. Now, the formulation is unlike Zero Velvet Tint, wherein Zero Velvet Tint transfers a lot, but this on the other hand does not transfer to an extent, and it leaves a very beautiful stain behind. That is why I just love this formulation, and I haven't seen this on Myntra or Nykaa or Amazon in that case, but I picked up these formulations, or you can say these variant from Macaron, which is available on their app as well as on their website. They do run some good discount whenever possible, so if you're planning to grab these variant, then you can head on to Macaron's app or their website. Next one is Mars Creamy Matte Lipsticks. This is in the shade Sultry Samba. Let me tell you, I've already reviewed these lipstick on my channel, catering to brown skin tone, and also I did give swatches with makeup, without makeup, so you can head on to my channel for more details. I'll also try and mention the link in the description box. Coming back to these lipstick, I really enjoy the formulation. I will show you how much I have used this particular shade. So this is the shade Sultry Samba, and I have just left with this much amount. Let me show you. This is the shade Sultry Samba on me. It's a beautiful plum shade with blue undertone, and I especially love to pair this lipstick, especially with my blue dress. If I'm wearing a navy blue dress or indigo blue dress, it looks beautiful with those color. And let me tell you, I do not even need any lip liner with this lip shade whatsoever. The formulation is creamy when you initially apply it, but settles down to a complete transfer proof matte formula. But it does come off if you are having your meals in between. If you are having oily food, it is definitely going to come off, but it did not dry out my lips in any way. I especially stay away from matte formulation, because then it dries out my lips. It makes my lips very flaky, which I absolutely hate. But this formulation is something I adore. I especially love the formulation of these lipstick from Mars Cosmetics, and this variant is one of my favorite in affordable brand. Next is Swiss Beauty Select High On Shine Lipstick. It is the newest launch, and I think they have 11 to 12 shades in this variant. I have the shade Rich Rose with me, which is one of the nude, which is one of the beautiful nude shade that looks gorgeous on brown skin. Let me just show you the swatch. So this is how the shade Rich Rose looks like. It's a very beautiful corally brownish shade that looks absolutely gorgeous. You definitely need a lip liner with this lipstick, but you can definitely rock this shade for your everyday wear. Now you can see the shine and the glossiness. Yes, if you have tried their My Shine lipstick, the formulation is more or less similar. The ingredient list is absolutely identical. I have already reviewed these on my channel with two shades catering to brown skin tone. You can have a look. It is creamy, it is hydrating, it is lightweight, it is nourishing. I especially love these kind of formulation because then I do not have to worry about my lips getting drier or not prepping it well. I do not have to worry at all. And the shine that you can see, I can compare it to Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick. I think the Revlon lipstick is more emollient, but this on the other hand does a very good job. Plus it is under budget, retails for rupees 410. It can come down to more discounted price when on sale. You can definitely try out these formulation. I know you will love it if you love such creamy formulation, because I think nowadays such creamy, shiny, glossy formulations are again trending. It comes in this kind of bullet format, which is ultra sleek, and I really love it. The entire packaging just takes my eyes off. Next is Sunny's Face Fluff Matte Lipstick in the shade Brunette. Let me show you. This is how the shade Brunette looks on my brown skin, and it's a beautiful neutral brown shade that looks immensely gorgeous on my bare skin. It is just as my lip shade. I can rock this shade totally with some lip liner on. About the formulation, it gives you a very weightless velvety matte finish and absolutely non-drying, very comfortable, not very long lasting, because you know how creamy lipsticks are, so you can always touch up whenever you want to, and it is exclusively available on Cult app. I think these retails for somewhere around 1300 or 1400 each, but you can always pick it up during some good discount. Cult always offers great coupons, so you can always indulge into those coupons and pick your favorite luxury makeup. Again, I have reviewed these on my channel, so if you're interested, please head on to my channel for more updates. I have kept the best for the last, and it is one of the high-end lipstick that I absolutely love. It is from Pat McGrath. It is their Fetish Matte Trance lipstick in the shade Flesh 3. Let me show you. This is how the shade Flesh 3 looks on me, and it's a beautiful reddish brown shade. This does not require any lip liner whatsoever, and I just can pull off this shade on its own with no makeup on, with my bare skin if I'm heading out. It is a creamy matte formulation that is not very long lasting. This is how the bullet looks like. You get a full size. I have a mini size. I can do with mini size because the full size is very pricey in India. This was what I got it from US. It comes in a set of 3, so you get beautiful nude shades catering to brown skin tone. And again, the formulation is weightless, it is creamy, it just gives one swipe pigmentation, and it looks beautiful on brown skin. Well, especially this particular shade looks beautiful on brown and dusky skin tone. Also, it does not contain any fragrance whatsoever, so I don't have anything much to say about these lipstick. It is just that if you want to indulge in one luxury high-end makeup, you can indulge in Pat McGrath's lipstick. You will definitely love the formulation. It's non-drying, it doesn't settle into your lip lines, and if you are not eating or drinking anything, you can just pull off this formulation. That way it is long lasting. So yeah, this concludes today's video. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.